የሶማሌ ክልል ወንጀለኛ እዚህ ጋር አለ። የሶማሌ ክልል ፕሬዝዳንት አንተ የሶማሌ ደም ያለብህ ሌባ ምን አባክ ትሰራለህ እዚህ? What are you doing here? This guy is a genocide criminal. A criminal is right here. A criminal, genocide criminal. The Somali criminal. Somali young people are being killed by this guy.
Fuck you.
This guy. He's a criminal.
Fuck you.
He's a criminal.
Fuck you.
Security, call the police now. He's wanted in Sweden in ICC.
Fuck you.
He's a genocide criminal right here. He's a genocide criminal. He's wanted. He's wanted. Security, do not cooperate with him.
Hold on.
No, he's a criminal.
Hold on.
He's wanted in Sweden. ICC criminal. ICC criminal.
Hold on, brother.
No.
Hold on.
Please be careful. He's a criminal.
Hold
He's a criminal. I'm telling you, my friend.
Hold on.
He killed lots of Ethiopians.
Hold on.
Fuck you.
Hold on. We can talk.
He's a criminal.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Hold on. Let me talk to you.
Okay.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Hold on.
He's a genocide criminal right here.
No.
Right here.
Hey.
Okay. He's a criminal. Genocide criminal. I want you to call 911 right now. He's a criminal. He's wanted in ICC.
Okay.
Yeah.
Lights up.
He's a criminal.
Turn this
Okay.
stuff up. Lights up. No.
Okay.
Turn the phone up.